Hello, welcome back to my channel, Mel's Stampin' Gallery. I'm Melanie, your close to my heart maker. And today I just wanted to pop on here real quick and share with you our new January to February 2024 Close to My Heart seasonal catalog. The cover of the catalog uses the one of the new collections that I will show you in just a minute, but I love the very soft, subtle colors of this and all the little details of the sticker sheets. But let's open it up and see all the goodness inside. Of course, on these first two pages, it just talks about becoming a maker or a VIP. Becoming a VIP is a great way to earn discounts as you're shopping. And of course, if you become a maker, you do earn a discount on your purchases as well. And if you want more information about that, I will have all the links down below in the description box. Just be sure to hit that bolded word that says more, and then that will expand the description box so you can see all the links. And then on the next pages, we have our Smile stamp set, which benefits the charity called Operation Smile. And what that does is help children in other countries to get those surgeries that they need to fix the cleft palates. And then turning to the next two pages, we have our Cut Above layout kits. And these layout kits are great because they really come with just about everything you need to put together two double page layouts. All you need to do is add some adhesive and your photos. And of course you can step it up if you want to, or you can do it just the way it is in the instruction sheet. All right, so then we go to the next page and we have our first paper collection called Let's Party. And you can see the bold, bright, vivid colors of this. Themed for a birthday party. When you look at it, that's probably the first thing that you see, and you maybe think of the child's birthday. But if you look closely at some of the papers, you can see that you really could use this for any kind of a celebration. And then of course these papers just have the different patterns and the colors. And then of course there is the sticker sheet available and the acrylic party shapes right here. And then of course there is the digital art as well. All right, let's turn the page, and then we have our Let's Party card making stamp set, and then they have the scrapbooking stamp set. What I like about the scrapbooking stamp set, of course, most of us, I'm sure, have those birthday layouts, and the one they show in the catalog is super cute with the 6th birthday. And you see they have the numbers up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th, and 6th birthday. And that's what's cool about this stamp set. It comes with the number thin cuts, and I believe they are 2 inches tall. And you can see all these images have thin cuts that go with them. If they are shaded in like this, that means there is a coordinating thin cut to go with that. And then of course there is the card making stamp set, and of course it comes with a thin cut. And it also has this thing cut with the banner. Doesn't have a stamp that matches it, but it is, you can see here they've cut it out of silver paper and then added the tassels in coordinating colors. All right, let's flip to the next page. And then on this page, of course, is the scrapbooking workshop that coordinates with the Let's Party stamp set. And when you get a scrapbooking workshop, you get all the materials that you need to create the double page layouts that you see here on this page. And you get a sampling of the acrylic shapes, not all of them, and you get one of each of the pattern papers, some of the coordinating cardstock. And then the nice thing about this too is that you do get some exclusive die cuts and papers that are exclusive only to the workshop kit. All right, and then we have a scrapbooking workshop, and then on the next page we have the card making workshop. And the same thing with this is you get an exclusive stamp set that you can only get as part of the card making workshop. And then you get the papers that you need, the coordinating cardstock, the envelopes and the card bases. And of course, like I said, you get the stamp set, and you get enough materials to make 4 of each one of these 4 cards. So you get enough materials to make 16 cards. And who couldn't use some birthday cards? I don't know about you, but just about every other week I'm trying to pull out a birthday card somewhere. So these would be a great kit to have on hand. And I think because of this happy birthday thin cut here, I think this one's going to go fast and sell out fairly quickly. So if you are liking this and you think that's something you might want to put on your wish list, don't wait, because you know how many times we've seen things that sell out very, very quickly. All right, so then the next page brings us to the collection I was telling you about that is on the cover, called Sweet Memories. And I love this collection because, like I said, I love the subtle colors of it. I love the vintage feel of it. But as you can see, it doesn't have to be a vintage photo. They've got a family photo here together. This is a congratulations card. If you want to send just a card to somebody just to say I'm thinking of you, just a note to say hello. So, you know, think beyond what you see right there. And then of course, look at this beautiful ledger paper with the camera and the flowers. I just love that when they put cameras and flowers together. I don't know what it is about that, but I just really like that. And then of course, we've got the sticker sheet, coordinating cardstock, and then as always the digital art, and then the die cuts as well. And I just, here's that camera again with the flower. I just love that. And I love all these swirls. Those will be great embellishments to stick on pages. And then just like with the Let's Party, we have the card making Stampin' Thin Cuts and a scrapbooking Stampin' Thin Cuts. And I think this one also is probably going to be a big seller because it's got these nice titles that you can use on your scrapbook pages, but they have thin cuts to go with them. So for example, this one, I mean, if you look at it, it's just the shape, right, of this kind of, what do you call that? It's a rectangle, but it's got the corners cut off of it, so you could use that shape. You wouldn't have to use it with the stamp, but use the thin cut itself. In the captured moments, same thing, just the shape, and you could put any word or image on there that you wanted. Also, same thing with the Sweet Memories card making Stampin' Thin Cuts. So this is a thin cut, but it's just a rectangle. This is a thin cut that goes with, that coordinates with the stamp. But if you just use the thin cut, it's like a little ticket. And these are some cute little shapes. And there's that camera again. I just love that camera. And of course, we've got the beautiful artwork up here in the corner. And then we go to the next page, which shows the scrapbooking workshop for this Sweet Memories kit. You've got these beautiful layouts here, and like I said, the scrapbooking workshop kits come with everything you need to create these 3 layouts. Now there are some additional supplies that they recommend, and it's just things like here, this is the black lip pen, your 3D foam tape, your blending brushes, and some Victorian Velvet Distress Oxide ink pad, which is kind of a pinkish, what do you call it? Distress Oxide ink pad. All right, so let's see what's next. And then of course that brings us to the card making workshop for this kit. It's got these beautiful cards, and again you can see the stamp set that is only available through the card making workshop. But another thing that I think is going to be very popular with this card making stamp set is this shape here, this kind of a doily shape. I love that. I love this shape here with the swirls on it again. And then again, you see some of these brackets for the words that you can use with the words in the stamp set or with words in any other stamp sets as well. Then that brings us to the mix-in pack. So there's always a mix-in pack using just some pretty neutral patterns and bringing out the colors that would work well with both of the collections. And I always like the artwork that they show here using the mix-in packs, and I just really love this. I think I might have to, this is one of the ones I have to put on my to-do list to recreate this. They've used the patterns from the mix-ins, they've used the patterns from the different 2 collections, and they've used this these title words that are in the core catalog. So yeah, I really like that layout. Then the next part of the catalog is your stamps and thin cuts and more, and it has the different stamp sets here that don't necessarily coordinate with a collection. They're standalone stamp sets, but look how cute that is for the winter. And these little mice, they are so stinking adorable. Wishing you a happy winter days, have a flurry of fun, keep calm and wait for snow. Thanks snow much, and winter greetings. But those are so cute. And then of course there's the artwork over here using those stamp sets. The next one is kind of a Valentine themed, love, wedding, any of that kind of stuff. So all your romantic, whatever, happy anniversary, be mine, I love you, thinking of you. And then this die cut cuts out this frame, okay? So it doesn't cut out the shape. If you want it to be a shape like this, you would fussy cut around that to cut it out. Otherwise, it just makes like this panel with the cutout in the center. But that's very pretty as well, and I think that'll be a good seller as well. Next, we have these cute little bears that are cute for, they've used it on a baby page here. How cute is that? Also this one on a baby page, Mom and Me, with the cute little animals that go with it and the thin cuts. But look at this little bear. Going back to the bears. I love this little bear with his blankie. I might have to get this one because I'm working on some very special albums, baby albums for my 3 granddaughters. That would be perfect. So would this one actually. All right, and then this one is the Legendary stamp set with these, the name just escaped me. What are these cows called? I don't know, but yeah, they're kind of cute. And then for the Girl Scout and Boy Scout in your life, here's a stamp set that you could use to document those adventures. If you don't have a Scout or a troop life, you could use this stamp without the word troop on it, just kind of do some stamp surgery and cut that off. And just put like Camp Life with an alphabet set. It's just very generic because you've got the fire, your marshmallows, a backpack, a compass, and a tent. So yeah, that could work for any kind of an outdoor adventure. All right, then up here we have this beautiful hummingbird set. And if you know anybody that likes their yoga and their tea, my water bottle, this stamp set, I should get it just for my daughter because this is so totally her. She does her yoga every day. We just got her a big fancy water bottle for Christmas. She drinks her tea. So yeah, that would be perfect for her. I just need to go over to her house and snap some pictures of her while she's doing her yoga. Like in this picture here, I love that layout right there. All right, and then moving on along, we're into our stencils again. Here's a stencil pack, the layering stencils for the birthday balloons and some nice sentiments for your layout pages. And then this with the truck. I love that truck, because you can use the big words here, and then the little words you can put on the little license plate, like they have, like they've done over here. GR8 Dad, great dad, and you are number 1. HB to you, happy birthday to you. Classic XO, love you to pieces. 16, you rock, miss you. You are number 1, you are great. Best dad, way to go, enjoy. And then this little one too kind of looks like tire treads. So that's really cute. I think that's really cute. All right, moving on along to the next page. I love these seams. These are 4 different stamp sets. This one is a thinking of you. This one says, my dear friend, thanks for your kindness and heartfelt sympathy. And then they also have these thin cuts. Again, each one of these are sold separately. I love the postage frame. That's a 3x3, the window, and then this one kind of looks like a stitched Polaroid frame thinlet. So I really like those as well. I can see a lot of use for these for creating clusters on your embellishment pages, and what a beautiful card these would make for your friends up here. All right, the next page, they have something new. It's these banner shapes that are already cut for you, and then these words are designed to fit, to be stamped right on those banner shapes. And look at all these beautiful, these sentiments that would be great for cards or scrapbook pages. It covers everything. Always something to be thankful for. Remember this moment. Friendship. Say yes to new adventures. This life is blessed. Remember, always and forever, you make me happy, wild at heart. You have my heart. Our story. Good things take time. And so on. And then, of course, they've used them over here on these layout pages. So that's the die-cut word strips and the Remember This Moment stamp set. And then over here, lately in the last couple of catalogs, they've been having featuring some alphabet sets. And I love this one, this alphabet set. Well, I love them both. But this one, if you see this scallop edge there, they actually did it with the O from the alphabet set. Isn't that clever? I thought, what a great idea. What about if you turned up this V upside down and made like a mountain scenery on your camping layout maybe? So thinking about the scallop, I thought this B turned sideways would make a cute little banner, or scallop edge on a page. So I just thought that was really fun, and I like how they just stamped the alphabets kind of randomly around here to make a cute little card there. So yeah, those are really cute as well. And then over here, we're already almost to the end of the catalog. Can you believe it? But here we have our 2 stamp of the months for the January and February. So this is available right now. And when you place a $50 order, you can get this stamp set for just $5. Of course, if you're a VIP, you would get it for free. If you want the coordinating thin cut with it, then I think it's a $14.95 purchase with a $50 order. And it says spend $50 and purchase for $5. But like I said, if you're a VIP, then you get that stamp set for free with your qualifying purchase. Okay, and then this is the one, the beautiful flowers, of course, for February. Grateful for you, my friend, sending you love and thinking of you. And then the beautiful artwork that goes along with that. And then, of course, we include our ink colors and ink pads in here on the final page. So if you see one of the collections that you like, you notice up here they always tell you the colors that go with the collection, so you can look at that and decide, hey, I don't have any Bluebird ink or paper. You know, maybe I better look at the cardstock and ink and stock up on some of that. So I apologize, I don't have any samples to show you yet. I've been a little busy with Christmas and the holidays, but I just placed an order today, so hopefully I will have some samples to share with you soon. So if you see this catalog and you're thinking, how do I get one of these catalogs for free? Well, it's simple. All you have to do is go to the link down below to my website and make a purchase, any size purchase. And on your first purchase of the month, Close to My Heart will send you a catalog for free. So that's it, and that's all there is to it. So thanks so much for joining me here on YouTube today. And like I said, go down below in the description box and you will find a link to my website and some of my favorite products. So thanks for joining me. See you next time. Bye.